Hello, this video is a gist of our RisoAan practice. What is RisoAan? RisoAan is a Mumbai-based design practice created by two women, Reshma and myself, Janita. We are interested in collaboration and production. We create space for progressive education, and we want to empower Indians to communicate their thoughts and emotions. Our main focus is twofold. One, to work collaboratively, building a community focused on sustainable creativity. And two, to introduce the Risograph printer to India. Risograph is a printer manufactured in India, but ironically not used here. RisoAan's primary production is Risograph because it is a socially democratic mode of production. The name of our main practice, RisoAan, combines Riso from Risograph and Aan, a Hindi word that means pride. This represents our self-respect and confidence. Our practice is comprised of 4 components. 1. To provide client-based work. 2. To conduct workshops. 3. To facilitate distribution for various authors. And 4. To sell Riso-printed products on an online shop. What are the 4 components? Makaan, our studio, tailors graphic design solutions for clients in the cultural sector. Some of our clients include Art and Found, Kahani Design, and Kala Ghoda Art Festival. Gyaan, our knowledge, is a series of educational workshops taking place 3 times a year to create a work based on a specific theme and to learn a new skill. Themes such as social responsibility, personal narratives, and individuality. We host workshops in collaboration with design schools, non-government organizations, and educational publications to engage with children, grown-ups, creative minds, and the general public to share their opinions and experiences. Zubaan, our voice, provides free quarterly zines. These zines are collaborative explorations based on taboo subjects. The voices come from the citizens of India, activists, writers, anyone who wants to voice out. And last, Dukaan, our shop which sells exclusively Risograph printed products online. The products all come from collaborations with illustrators, designers, and artists in our creative community. We offer Risograph production as a tool for them to transform their style using our means of distribution. In sum, what is our practice all about? It's about learning by doing, uniting, voicing out, and building communities. Now that you have a better understanding, go ahead and explore the website.